Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the dispenser water line in this KitchenAid refrigerator, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a small flathead screwdriver, 2 thin putty knives, and painter's tape. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the appliance's power cord. Use the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the screw, securing the upper left door hinge cover. With the cover removed, lift up the clasp and detach the dispenser water supply line. Next, apply a strip of painter's tape directly below the dispenser interface, as well as along the left edge. Now insert the 2 thin putty knives to pry the left side and bottom of the interface away from the door, and you can then pull the top edge free. Slide out the retaining clips securing the actuator paddle wire connectors. Then disconnect all 5 wire connectors to fully remove the interface. Use the small flathead screwdriver to help pry the water line nozzle out of the dispenser separator. You can now pull the old line free of the door. To install the new dispenser water line, feed the appropriate end through the channel in the door until it protrudes through the upper hinge bushing. Snap the nozzle into place on the dispenser separator. Reconnect the wire connectors to the appropriate terminals on the user interface. Secure the actuator paddle wire connectors with the retaining clips. Now insert the upper tabs on the interface into the slots in the housing, then snap the bottom into place. Remove the tape. Insert the opposite end of the new water line into the supply line and close the clasp. Realign the hinge cover and thread the screw to secure. Plug the power cord back in, and the refrigerator should be ready for use.